Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with another video of exercise 3.1 from the chapter linear equations in one variable of class 8. So before starting the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell button to get the notification as soon as I post my new videos. Okay, so here you can see the first question is Amina thinks of a number. Okay, so this Amina, she's a girl and she's thinking of a number and we don't know what is that number. And subtract 5 by 2 from it. So let us write how it is possible. So here solution. So Amina thinks of a number. Let us consider the number to be x. Okay, so we don't know what is that particularly that number, so we are taking that number as x. Okay, next, and subtract 5 by 2 from it. So according to the question now, so according to the question we will get Amina is thinking of a number. This is the number. Okay, so and subtract 5 by 2 from it. So minus 5 by 2 from this number. Okay, she multiplies the result by 8. So we have to multiply this complete result with 8. Okay, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number. Okay, so this result whatever we are obtaining is 3 times this number. So that is 3 times x. It means it is 3x. Okay, so what is that number? So we have to find out the value of this x here. Okay, so here what we can do is we have to multiply. First we have to remove this bracket here. So to remove this bracket, what we have to do is we have to multiply this 8 with this x as well as with this 5 by 2. Okay, let us see how to do that. When we multiply this x into 8, it will become 8x. Okay, this minus will be as it is, and 8 5s are 40 divided by this 2 will be as it is, which is equals to 3x. Okay, what we will do here is next we will cancel this 2 1s are and 2 2s are 4 and 2 zeros are 0. So here we are getting 20. Okay, so we will get here 8x minus 20 is equals to 3x. Okay, now let us bring this 3x to this side. We will get 8x minus 3x. Okay, then we will take this minus 20 to this side. It will become plus 20. So this will become 8x minus 3x is nothing but 5x, which is equals to 20. Okay, therefore x will be equals to, when we'll bring this 5 to this side, it will become 20 divided by 5. So it is 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So we will get the value of x is equals to 4. Okay, so the Amina thinks of the number that is 4. Okay. So now moving on to the second question, you can see the second question. A positive number is 5 times the another number. So let us write here. Let us take the positive number. Okay, positive number to be x. Okay, so our positive number is x here. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Okay, according to the question, we will write here, this is our positive number. Okay, it is equal to 5 times this positive number, 5 times another number. So we will take this another number to be 5 times x. If 21 is added to both the numbers, okay, so we have to add 21 to both the numbers. So here also we will add 21 and here also we will add 21. Okay, then one of the new number becomes twice the other new number. Okay, so we will consider this number has become twice this particular number. Okay, what are the numbers we have to calculate? So to find out what are the numbers, what we have to do is we have to first open this bracket. Okay, so 2 into 21 is nothing but 42 plus 2 into x is nothing but 2x, which is equals to 5x plus 21. Okay, so now what we have to do is we will bring this 5x to this side and we will take this 42 to this side. Okay, so here we will get 2x. Okay, when we bring this to this side, we will get minus 5x, which is equals to 21 will be as it is here. We will bring this 42 to this side. So it will become minus 42. Okay, so 2x minus 5x will become minus 3x, which is equals to, here also we will get minus, as this number is bigger and the bigger number is having minus sign, we will get minus 42 minus 21 is nothing but 21. So both side minus signs will be cancelled. We are left with 3x is equals to 21. Okay, next we will get x is equals to 21 divided by 3. Since when we bring this 3 to this side, it will become, from multiplication sign it will change to division sign. So now 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So we will get our x is equals to 7, and the another number here, 5 times the another number, we have taken it as 5x, right? So that 5 into x will become 7 into 5, that is nothing but 7 5s are 35. Okay, so this is the second one answer. Okay, so now moving to the third question. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. Okay, so firstly what they have given is sum of the digits of 2-digit number. So let us consider 2-digit number. Let us take 2-digit number B, X and Y. Okay, so let us consider that our 2-digit number is nothing but X and Y. So according to the question, what they have given, sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. So according to the question, we will get X plus Y is equals to 9. Sum of these two numbers is nothing but 9. Okay, so from this only we can write y is equals to, when we take this y value, we will get 9 will be as it is, we will get this x to be this side. So it will become y is equals to x minus 9. Okay, so let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Okay, so now we have taken here xy as our 2-digit number. Okay, so you can see here this y is in unit place, similarly this x is in tens place. Okay, so when we write our general formula for 2-digit number, what we will get is, you can see here, general form for 2-digit number is equal to 10 into x plus 1 into y, isn't it? You can see here when we are having 59 as our 2-digit number, so this is in unit place and this is in tens place. Okay, so while writing, what we will write here in the general formula, 10 into this tens place whatever we are having 5 plus 1 into in units place whatever we are having, that is 9. So when we add this or multiply and add this, we will get the answer as 59. Just see here, 10 into 5 is 50 plus 1 into 9 is 9. So totally 50 plus 9 is nothing but 59 we are getting. Okay, so similarly we have written this in the general form using x and y. Okay, so now we have to substitute here. So 10 into x will be as it is plus 1 into, instead of y we will substitute this equation 2. Okay, so what is our equation 2? In place of y, y is equals to x minus 9. So here we will get x minus 9. Here we will write by substituting equation 2. Okay, so this is the reason here So when we open this, we are getting 10x will be as it is, plus 1 into x is x, minus 1 into 9 is 9. So here we will get the answer as 10 plus x, 10x plus x minus 9. Okay, so sorry, I have made a mistake here. You can see here when I have bought y value, when I have written the y value here, it should be 9 minus x, not x minus 9. Okay, so 9 is here. We have to, when we bring this x to this side, it will become minus x. Okay, so this is plus. So here we will get minus x and plus 9. Okay, so here 10x minus x is nothing but 9x plus 9 will be as it is. So we will consider this as equation 3. Okay. Okay, moving to the next, you can see the question when we interchange the digits. Okay, so now we have to interchange the digits and we have to find out what we are getting. Okay, so on interchanging digits, we will get, so where you have to interchange, only here you have to interchange. So in place of x, 10 into in place of x, we will change it as y, plus 1 into in place of y, we will change it to x. Now let us substitute 10 into, okay, y is nothing but 9 minus x. Okay, 9 minus x plus 1 into x will be as it is 1x. Okay, so here we will get 10 into 9, 10 nines are 90, minus here we will get 10 into x is 10x plus 1x. Okay, so here we will get the answer as minus 10x plus 1x is nothing but 90 will be as it is minus 9x. Okay, sign will be as it is and we have to subtract it. So let us consider this as equation 4. Okay, now you can see the question here. On interchanging the digits, it is found that the resulting new number, okay, now this is the resulting new number. Okay, this number is nothing but greater than the original number by 27. This number is greater. Okay, so according to the question, we will write here, according to the question, this new number, okay, this is the new number, that is 90 minus 9x, which is equal to, okay, the resulting new number is equal to, it is greater than the original number. What was the original number here? That is 9x plus 9, and this number is greater than this number by 27. Okay, this number is greater than this number by 27. So what is the 2-digit number? So we have to calculate the 2-digit number now. Okay, so first we will calculate what is what is x here. Okay, okay, so we will get 90 minus 9x. Okay, and we will take this 9x to this side, we will get minus 9x, which is equals to 9 plus 27 is nothing but 36. Okay, so 9x minus 9x is 90 minus 18x, which is equals to 36. Okay, now we will bring this 36 to this side and we will move this 18x to minus 18x to this side. So 90 minus 36 we will get when we bring this 36 to this side, which is equals to, when we bring this minus 18x to this side, we will get plus 18x. Okay, so here 90 minus 36 is nothing but 54, which is equals to 18x. Therefore our x is equals to 54 divided by 18. Okay, so we will get the answer as 3. So we got here our x to be equal to 3. So we will substitute in equation 2. So let me write here, substituting the value in equation 2, we will get y is equals to 9 minus x. So when we substitute here y is equals to 9 minus x, that is 9 minus 3, we are going to get this answer as 6. So our 2-digit number, okay. So 2-digit number is either 36 or 63. Okay, either it is 36 or it is 63. Okay, now moving to the fourth question here. You can see the fourth question. One of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number. Okay, so in 2-digit number, 1 digit is 3 times the another digit. Okay, now if the 2-digit number is AB, okay, 2-digit number is AB, then we can consider that A is equals to 3 times B. Okay, you can see here, second number is 3 times the another digits. Okay, so one number is 3 times the another number. So like that only, let us consider that solution to be, let the digits in ones place and tens place be x and 3x. So just we have to consider that let our two numbers be x and one more number is 3 times x. Okay, so therefore what it will be, our original number will become, so for original number what we have to do, we have to consider our original number to be 10 into, okay, this is in general form of the 2-digit number. So when we write the general form of the 2-digit number, so we will write 10 into, in tens place we are having x, okay, plus in ones place we are having 3x. Okay, so we will get 10 into x is nothing but 10x plus 1 into 3x is nothing but 3x. So we will get the original number to be 13x. So we will keep this as equation 1. Okay, this is the original number is nothing but I have written this into the general form, like how we have done the general form in the third one. Okay, you know that, no? The third case here how we have written it in the general form, the similar way I have written this numbers, two numbers in the general form, that is 10 into x, okay, 10 into the tens place number and 1 into the unit place number. So when we open this brackets and add up, we will get the number as 13x. So our original number is nothing but 13x. So let me, I will tell you why we have taken here the original number. It is already mentioned in the question. Okay. So next, if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number, okay, now you have to interchange this 2 digits number, interchanging the numbers. So we will get, on interchanging the numbers, here only what we will get, 10 into 3x, only these two numbers you have to interchange. Okay, so here we will get 10 into 3x plus 1 into x. So here we will get 10 into 3x is nothing but 10 3s are 30, x plus 1 into x is 1x. So 30x plus 1x is equals to 31x. Okay, so let us consider this to be as equation 2. Okay, now you can see the question. If you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, okay, just see, this is the resulting number, our this equation 2 is the resulting number, and you can see here the question, add the resulting number to the original number. What is our original number? It is 13x. So for that case only I have taken it to be original number. It is actually in the general form of the 2-digit number, but I have taken it as original number, just not to confuse you people. Okay, so what we get is resulting number is 31x and original number is 13x. Okay, so what we have to do, add the resulting number to the original number. So on adding, we will write according to question. Okay, 13x plus 31x, okay, you get 88, okay, which is equals to 88. Now when you add this, you are going to get 44x, which is equals to 88. So x is equals to 88 divided by 44. So 44, okay, 4 ones are 4 ones are, here you will get 4 twos are 4 twos are, similarly 11 ones are and 11 twos are. So you got your x is to be 2. Okay, your x value is nothing but 2. So when you substitute in equation 1, substituting in equation 1, you get, that is 13 into x is given, so you will get 13 into 2, that is nothing but 13 twos are 26. So your 2-digit number is either 26 or it can be the reverse number, that is 62 also. Okay. So moving to the next question, 5th question. Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times the Shobhu's present age. Okay, so let us consider Shobhu's age be x years. Okay, so let us consider that Shobhu's present age is nothing but x years. Okay, so Shobhu's mother's age is 6 into x years. Okay, why we have taken here 6 into x years? As they have already mentioned in the question, Shobhu's mother's present age is 6 times the Shobhu's age. What is the Shobhu's present age here? That is x years. So 6 times in the sense 6 into x years. Okay, so Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So according to the question, after 5 years, what will be the Shobhu's age after 5 years? Shobhu's age is equals to x plus 15, right? So now if this Shobhu is x years old, so after 5 years, his age will be automatically 5 years. Sorry, this is 5 years, not 15 years. Automatically his age will be 5 years. Okay, so it will be x plus 5 years. So now according to the question, you can see here, okay, according to question, so what they have told here, Shobhu's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Okay, so what is the age? Shobhu's age after 5 years is equal to 1/3 of its mother's present age. Okay, so Shobhu's age after 5 years. What is Shobhu's age after 5 years? That is x plus 5. So x plus 5 is equals to 1/3 of mother's present age. So what is the Shobhu's mother's present age? That is 6 into x years. So we will write 6x. Okay, now you can see here 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, x will be as it is. So it is x plus 5 is equals to 2x. Okay, so when you bring x to this side, it will become 5 is equals to 2x minus x. So 2x minus x is nothing but x, which is equals to 5. So we can say that Shobhu's age is nothing but 5 years. Okay. Shobhu's age is equals to 5 years and Shobhu's mother's age is equals to 6 into x, right? 6 into x, which is equals to 6 into 5 years. That is nothing but 6 5s are 30 years old. So that's all for today. I hope you understand the video. If you are having any doubts regarding this, please comment me down below and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Then the other part of this video will be included in the part 2 of this video. Okay. Thank you.